Hello, my name is Michael Judd, and I just wanted to show you around my website, kind of why I did things, how I did things, and what it looks like now. So here's a basic idea of the website. I'm a big Zelda fan, so I thought, hey, let's just make a fun Zelda website. So I made one that just talks about giving help for Hylians, and I split it into 3 different things that equal support for the same thing. So I have a little Hylian shield logo at the top that goes down. We have these 3 different sections, the rupees, rebuild, and reinforce, but they all lead to the same thing, which is just sending support. So you have the big open title here. Ironically, the color on my computer and the color I've noticed on others' computers is different. Same hex code, of course, but visually, and I'm colorblind as well, visually it looks different. So may not be looking good to some, looks good to me. Scroll down and you've got the different sections. So you've got send rupees, just pictures some rupees, send some rupees, rebuild, help them rebuild. And each one of these support buttons will bring you down to the bottom, which we'll see in a second. And then we got reinforcements, so you can join part of the army, but it's all sending support. So if you click support, it'll bring you down to the bottom. Clicking this button at the bottom will just reload the page, technically. So not a big deal there. If you look at the code, which I'll show real quick, I'll just show some of the basic things I did to split things up. So take a look at the CSS here. Let me go down to it. I didn't put a ton of CSS in here. It kind of fit well with a lot of what we did. So there were 3 different rows, and so I did indeed put rows that have the numbers in them because I can select them more, but it did not break. So I hope that that fits well and is okay. But I wanted to make it so that each section was just kind of individual. So we have the section up here, have its own grouping of everything, and then I did alternating. So I did the second row here and then the 4th row, which you can see in here, and you change the background. I just made them, I don't like square, like sharp corners on things. I don't know why, but I changed it so where it has the rounded corners, and you can see that with the border radius there of 10 pixels. That just helps, I feel, to give it a softer edge, connect to things. I did notice after making the page some things were out of alignment, so you look at things here, and the alignment is not centered where it should be. It's off on the side. So I could have fixed that. Yeah, pretty much basic there. There's not much difference, so I hope it works well. It's a very simple website, doesn't have a lot of pizzazz to it, very much difference, but I enjoyed making it. It was a good experience to learn. So awesome. Thank you so much.